Everyone, welcome to the Age, and we're going to look at another question concerning general solutions. So here we are asked to get the general solution for 2 cos x plus 5 is equal to 4, comma 44. Okay, so when we get general solutions, what we want to do is to isolate the trig ratio, and it must be a single trig ratio. So here we only have cos, so it's fine. We can go ahead and isolate and solve for x. So it's going to be 4,44 minus 5 2 cos x is equal to 4.44 minus 5 is negative 0.56. Divide that by 2, you get negative 0.28. Okay, so let us go ahead and solve for the general solution. Firstly, we get our reference angle. So ref angle is equal to, we pull out our calculator. Remember, with reference angle, we have a negative number here. With reference angle, always ignore the sign. So we're ignoring this negative. We're going to say 0.28. Shift cos 0.28. And there we go. Our reference angle is 73.7. Let's run it off to 2 decimals. So it's going to be 73.74. Okay. Secondly, cos diagram. Let me draw it here on the side. So we have to ask ourselves, okay, no. In which quadrant is cos going to be negative? As you can see here, we're given negative 0.28, right? So in which quadrant is cos going to be negative? We know that at the all quadrant is going to be positive. At the cos quadrant is going to be positive. But at the sine and the tan is going to be negative, because only at the sine quadrant sine will be positive. Only at the tan quadrant tan will be positive. So it's going to be here and here. Cool. And we know that for the sine quadrant, its form is 180 degree minus reference angle. Yeah, it's 180 degrees plus reference angle. So we're going to use these two expressions to get our general solution. Right. Let me just complete this by saying cos diagram. So for the first one, let's say 180 degrees minus the reference angle we got, which is 73.74 degrees, plus k dot 360 degrees. Don't forget to include it. And don't forget to state that k is elementary to z. If you state it once, you won't have to state it again. It's fine. So 180 degree minus 73.74 is equal to 106.26 degrees plus k dot 360 degrees. So that was our first solution. Our second solution, let us use this 180 plus reference angle form. So it's going to be 180 degrees plus reference angle 73.74 degrees plus k dot 360 degrees, which is going to be 180 plus 73.74, 253.74 degrees plus k dot 360 degrees. And these are our final answer. These are our general solutions, right? Which makes sense because 106 degrees is in, this is 0, 9, 8, 90, 180, 270. 106 is between 90 and 180. So it's in the sine quadrant indeed. 253.74 is in the tan quadrant between 180 and 270 degrees, right? And we know, like we established, at the sine and the tan quadrant is where cos is going to be negative, which is this cos. Actually, they said x, so let's replace this angle as x. I mean, it's still an angle, but they wrote it as x, so let's keep on writing with x as well. And yes, that is how you solve this question. Thank you very much.